Step out.
Oh my God, let me put my car in park. Let me put my car in park.
Now.
Give me another unit.
When the driver believes he sets the rules, the police are forced to prove otherwise.
I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
I didn't do nothing. Get off of me. Why are they dragging me out the car? I didn't do nothing.
A car stop turns into a battle of wills right in the middle of a gas station. A seemingly simple traffic stop, but within minutes, it turns into a nightmare for both police and drivers.
Get off of me. Why are they dragging me out the car? I didn't do nothing.
Give me another unit.
As soon as the police turned their backs, the woman suddenly acted recklessly, causing everything to spiral out of control.
Okay, your license is suspended, that's why.
I got my license right here. How's my license suspended?
I had to look up to see what court it's through. You weren't aware that it was suspended?
I know I got a ticket in Shaker, but I don't pay my ticket off.
Okay.
I didn't know nothing about no ticket.
Okay. Do you have your insurance card with you? All right, let me see when that suspension started and what court it's through. Did you get a ticket with them and not pay it? Should have been, it looks like it might have been from 2022.
2022. I haven't been to Shaker Court and everything.
It's not Shaker Court.
How would I? 2022. I was living at that address, so they would have sent me something. I would have known.
Okay. So here's the situation. Because you're showing suspended, you have to tow the vehicle.
Oh my God.
And I need
Why did you even stop me in the first place?
Because your license is suspended. If you had a licensed driver with you, then we would be able to turn it over to them. But because there's not someone with you that has a license, we have to tow it. Ma'am?
Can you come up here and come get my car, please?
She's not going to be able to get your car. Ma'am, I'm telling you right now, she's not going to be able to.
Both of y'all talking to me right now.
Okay. I'm telling you right now, she's not going to be able to get your vehicle. So she doesn't need to come up here. Because you don't have a license. You shouldn't be driving.
I did not know I didn't have a license, and I can get that straightened out.
You can say that, but I have to go.
If it's about a ticket, I can pay a ticket for you to tow my vehicle.
Screams echoed through the gas station. A tense confrontation erupted in broad daylight.
That's the police. That's crazy to me.
The court's different. Yeah, the court's different.
But it doesn't matter if it's the police and you running my plate, and that court, your court is different from Highland Heights.
I can't tell you what the court ran or what they didn't run.
My car, that's ridiculous.
Go ahead and pull up your insurance card, and we'll be back with you in a minute, okay?
Gather what you're going to take from the car, so that when the tow truck gets here, we don't. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm giving you advice for your benefit. Otherwise, whatever's in it is going to stay with it, okay?
What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Give me your keys. Give me your keys now.
Ma'am. Can I get off my car?
Give me your keys.
Get out my car.
Step out of the car.
Get off of me.
Step out of the car.
Get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Why are they dragging me out the car? I didn't do nothing. I'm not doing anything. Okay, let me go.
You need another unit.
Let me go. Get off of my damn neck.
You need another unit.
Get off of me, y'all. I didn't even do anything. Over a ticket. Over a ticket. Why am I getting arrested over a ticket? Now you're going to jail. Over a ticket?
Yes.
Y'all sound crazy.
That's your decision.
Because I got no ticket and it must be an error. I don't know what y'all talking about. I don't have no ticket.
You're about to get one.
I'm about to get a ticket. You're arresting me for about to get a ticket. Y'all sound crazy. How do you get arrested on behavior? My behavior is because off of your behavior. Y'all sound crazy.
Escorted into the car, she did not remain silent, but challenged, accused, and made shocking threats.
For a ticket? Are y'all kidding me? Over a ticket?
Put your feet in.
Over a ticket? I can't even get in. How you talking about put your feet in?
Put your feet in.
Not even tall enough to get in the damn car. Put my damn dress down. I cannot get in.
You can pull it in or you can step it. Sit down.
Y'all is weird. Y'all is weird.
Okay.
Okay, get away from me.
No, I'm not going to get off you. Put your feet in.
How do you expect me to get up in here? Please,
Lift your foot in.
Damn, what the hell?
here. I don't know.
God damn. That's all y'all had to do. Like, come on over a damn ticket. Going to jail over a ticket. How you gonna pull me out my car? Illegal.
I stopped her and she was parked at one of these pumps. And she just drives away and parks in the thing. And I walk up, I'm like, give me your keys. She's like, no, I'm not doing anything. I'm like, give me your keys. I open the door and she like pulls away. So I pulled her out and she started resisting, cuffed her up and put her, she's in the back of my car now.
From a simple ticket, the incident has now become a serious criminal case with an unexpected ending.
All I'm gonna do is get out of jail, go get my vehicle, and what you gonna do? Pull somebody else over a ticket and drag them out their vehicle, and then read them their rights? Make them feel real good, huh?
Did you put the keys in the car or do you have them with you?
Illegal stop. Why would you take my keys? How do I get in the house? Y'all sound crazy. I don't trust y'all going through my stuff. Don't plant nothing on me. I don't do drugs. I don't carry weapons and I don't do drugs. Actually, I'm licensed to carry.
What's your name, miss?
You know what my name is.
I don't know your name.
Oh, well, what's your name?
I'm new here. I am Officer Suhey.
Suhey?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, it's people out here really committing crimes and y'all pulling me over a damn parking ticket.
I don't know anything about it. We're just going to try and get through it as quickly as
Listen, I got on a skirt. I'm not about to be walking around with my ass out. I'm not about to walk around with my ass out. I don't trust her with my damn bag, playing evidence, shit like that. I don't got time
The
for
sooner
that.
we get in there, the sooner that you can see your bag and everything,
Well,
and we'll
can
get
you
the
cuff
cuffs
me
off
to the
you.
front so I can pull my stuff down? I'm a lady.
I can't move them to the front, but
Yeah,
as soon as we get in there, we can get you searched and get them taken off completely.
Thank you.
We go around the back here.
The woman was charged with obstructing official business and driving with an expired license. The incident went from a simple ticket to a criminal case for resisting and failing to comply with police orders. Right. In Naples, Florida, a seemingly simple traffic stop turned into a heated argument when a woman declared, "I don't need a license."
I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
Step out, step out.
Oh my God, let me put my car in park. Let me put my car in park.
Now.
6 years without a license, without papers, but still brazenly driving, this woman claims she is exempt from all laws.
Morning, Officer Langwise of the Naples Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is failure to come to a complete stop at the stop sign.
Oh, I thought I did. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Is this your license and registration?
I no longer use a license. I only have my passport that I use. I'm a state national, so I no longer have to abide by the corporation's rules, and I have my documentation for that.
Okay.
Those were previous citations that were dismissed by Judge Crone.
Yeah, this doesn't show me anything of why you don't have to have a driver's license, though.
I'm a state national, so I'm exempt from the problem or what you guys do. I'm exempt from the.
Usually you have a card on you that states that they give you that you're exemplary.
Yeah, they haven't sent it to me yet, but I have filed all the paperwork and it's been in place for 6 years.
It's been in place for what?
6 years.
And you don't have, if it's been in place for 6 years, you don't have the prior one?
They didn't send it to me yet.
In the whole entire 6 years, you've never had anything?
You know how our federal government works, so this
So
is
what do you provide for documentation wherever you go? You only provide...
Yes, ma'am.
You should have been at least issued an identification card. Even if you don't have a driver's license,
No,
you should have a
because the
Florida
identification card again abides by your rules, leaning ownership of my vehicles, of myself to you, and I'm no longer a part of the corporation, so I'm exempt. So what we're doing here is illegal as far as me, because I no longer participate in the extortion of the police department.
Are you stating you're a sovereign citizen?
I'm not state national.
State national.
I'm not sovereign. I'm a state national.
Okay.
I'm a part of the Republic of the United States.
Okay.
No longer a part of the corporation.
You don't have any documentation on you stating that, so you're not exempt.
No, I am excited. Believe me, you'll get a bond from me that goes directly to...
You are violating the Constitution, she shouted in the middle of the street, citing a series of provisions in case law, as if the law did not exist for her.
Towards you, that fines you for every minute that you're holding me here. There is no crime that's committed. You can only detain me if there's a crime committed.
Ma'am, you are legally have to follow
There's
it.
no injured party.
If you're
There's no
operating
injured
a
party,
motor
honey.
vehicle in Florida,
No.
you still have to follow
No,
the
I don't.
regulations.
No, I don't. See, you guys are extorting money from us. See, the problem is you're violating my Fourth Amendment right.
No, I'm actually not, ma'am.
Yes, you are. I can go through it with you, doll.
Okay.
I have it all
You
here.
stand by for me. Okay, so I'm on a traffic stop with a woman who's stating she's not a sovereign citizen, but she's a citizen. And
Here's more documentation from the judge.
okay, can you repeat again what you just told me?
I'm a state traveler. I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
Stating she doesn't have to have a driver's license. She can run the stop sign, do everything,
common law.
and that she travels through common law. And
if she fails to produce identification or a driver's license,
I did produce my.
she gave me her passport, but she says she doesn't have a driver's license. She doesn't need a driver's license. She doesn't have one for 6 years.
If she doesn't have a driver's license, just like anyone else, she could be arrested for not having a driver's license.
No state shall convert
Thanks,
my.
I'll send you back up.
You guys are extorting money from us. It's a God-given right. Murdoch versus Pennsylvania. I don't have registration with me now. I don't have to provide it. I am.
Ma'am, you do your driving a
No, ma'am.
vehicle
I am
on the
common
road.
law.
I
It is not a
understand your
privilege. It's a
common
right.
law.
It's a God-given right for me to be able to travel.
Ma'am, do you have your registration with
No, I
you?
don't.
Okay, so you have no registration, no driver's
I
license.
have it. I just don't have it on me. I don't have to carry it.
Okay.
The police ordered her to turn off the engine and get out of the car. But instead of cooperating, the woman declared, "You are criminals. I am going to church."
Very kind and helpful
I
to
can't
you.
go forward without my attorney.
Okay, that's fine. I
So
need
call your supervisor.
My partner is here with
I
me
need
right
your
now.
supervisor. Call your
Okay.
supervisor, please.
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you in the
You
best
have to-
way that
you
I
have to
can.
disclose your badge number.
And I have no problem doing
You
that.
have to disclose your badge number right now, according to Shapiro versus Thompson.
Okay, that's no problem, ma'am.
These are constitutional laws that have been put in place, ma'am. That's what I follow, the Constitution. The
that
state
is-
of Florida has
that is
taken my
good.
right to
That is
travel
good.
freely
That is
in my
okay.
private vehicle and turned it into a privilege, which is
okay.
against my constitutional rights.
That's okay.
I am not contracting with you.
Okay.
My partner has been very kind with you. I heard what you had to say. At this point, she has asked you to turn the vehicle off and step out of the vehicle.
I'm
If
not
you
stepping
listen to
out
me,
of my-
you are going to step out of the vehicle
Why would I do that?
because I asked you to.
You don't have any authority
I do.
over me.
I do.
No, you don't,
Yes, I do.
sir. You both are criminals.
No, you're going to
You
step
both
out
are-
of the vehicle, or I'm going to
No,
make you get out of the vehicle.
I'm going to church.
No, you're going to get out of the vehicle right now. Nope.
Stop
Do
it.
not. Do not.
Stop it.
Do not. No.
Hey, don't.
No.
Oh my
no.
God.
No. No.
Keith.
No. No.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Listen.
Oh my God, I'm going to church.
You are
Stop it. Leave me alone. Oh my God, are you crazy?
No. You're going to step out of the vehicle
Oh
right
my
now.
God. Wait, let me turn my vehicle
No.
off.
Do not grab me. No.
Stop.
Do not.
Stop
Do not.
it.
Grab this
I'm
one.
gonna lock up my car.
No.
I'm gonna
No.
lock up my car.
No.
Ma'am, we tried to help
Oh my God, Bert.
Central Bravo.
Hold on, get your
Listen,
supervisor.
Step out. Step out.
Oh my God, let me
Step
put
out
my
now.
car in
Step
park.
out now. Step
Let
out
me
now.
put my car in
Step out
park.
now.
Step out.
Now.
Step out.
My car's
Step out.
Refusing to leave the car, screaming and begging, even fiercely resisting. And then the unexpected ending sent her straight from the driver's seat to the back seat of the police car.
Please let me go to church. Don't tighten them again. You don't have to tighten them that much, sir.
and they are loose.
Relax.
Ow, you don't have to tighten it, sir.
They have
You
to,
are. You're tightening
they
my
have to be
band.
clamped on. They're handcuffs.
Are you the supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, I need you to please give my purse and call my attorney.
Ma'am, I'm not calling your attorney.
Wait a minute.
We will
You're
take
not-
care of your property.
You're going to have a seat right now.
Don't handle me like that.
You're going to
kid.
sit down, please.
Stop it.
Sit down and put your legs in.
Don't tow
Thank
my
you.
car.
Thank
I'll
you.
call my brother to come down.
Thank you.
Please don't tow my vehicle. Can I please call my brother?
No,
Why?
it's getting towed.
Why? That's theft.
It's not.
Sir, you're stealing my car if you impound it. Sir, can I please secure my vehicle? Sir, let me secure my car, please. My purse and everything. How am I supposed to get out of jail?
It's getting towed.
What about my personal belongings? Sir, I've got money in that purse. Please don't do that to me.
What kind of money do you have?
I have over $2,000 in that purse. Please. Can you please roll up my windows?
We will.
And I can't have the coat towed because it's on a security.
It's going to get towed. There is nothing around that.
Under Florida statute SS 843.02. Resisting a law enforcement officer is punishable by up to 1 year in jail or probation. Fine up to $1,000, 0 cents. The woman was taken into custody and faces charges of disobeying police, resisting arrest with violence, and assaulting a protected officer. Resisting the police will end up in handcuffs.
Yeah, they try to get me to come out of Universal.
Yep. Yeah, she walked all the way up into you.
I know, we watched you.
Listen,
I'm not fighting anybody.
No, you're not fighting. Listen.
No, I'm not, but I feel like very like home with my friends for shit I didn't do.
Obviously, we're not at that point.
On the evening of October 19th, 2023, the Orlando Police Department responded to Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida, to address a situation involving a woman who was potentially causing a disturbance and might be asked to leave the park. Below is a video from the body cam footage that recorded what transpired during this incident.
No, I can get an Uber. What I'm trying to say is go home. For what? You literally can take the bus here and you can go home.
Is that somebody to come pick you up?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm Officer Lemmerman. This is Officer Oliver.
Yeah, they try to get me to come out of
Yep.
Universal,
Yep.
but they didn't explain why. And I use veteran. I've done the whole shenanigans. I've done the fucking rigmarole. I've done the whole bullshit. I don't care if I ever come back here. To be honest with you.
Okay. So what they're doing right now is asking you to leave property. So do you have a ride coming? Or
I have friends that we all. So that's why I called my friends and I said, "Where are you?
Are they in the park still?
It's from what I understanding is that they're very close.
Okay.
I don't know how close.
Okay. Do you know where their vehicle is?
On the, where are we?
We're at the bus loop. So they're in one of these parking garages.
Upon arriving at the scene, the police officers approached and interacted with the woman. When they asked her to leave, she expressed dissatisfaction with being asked to leave without a specific explanation. She voiced her displeasure and emphasized that she was a military member, feeling that she was being treated unfairly. In this situation,
You want to take an Uber? Because you're not going to be able to wait for them.
I mean, I don't care if I have to wait for them or not. Honestly, like this park is.
So your option is to take an Uber, or they're going to press charges for trespass after warning, and you're going to go into jail.
I don't know. They're like talking about pressing charges of like being at Universal because they can't fathom the fact that I'm in the military. They're like, oh well, you know, it's like.
So we can either start walking towards the Uber,
I don't know. It's very weird.
or we can end up starting to go to jail.
the exit, right over here.
No, I'm telling you that the people here are
Okay.
telling me.
So we're going to go over to the roadway to the sidewalk.
What's your rate?
Obviously what? Because I don't fucking listen to yes sir, yes sir.
Yep.
That's still on property. But the problem is that they're very much like, I don't know.
The police then presented the woman with two options. Either she could leave the area by calling an Uber, or she would face the possibility of being charged with trespassing and potentially arrested. At this point, the woman contacted a friend, and the body cam footage shows the police following her.
You guys happy with her on the sidewalk?
Area.
She's apparently going to wait for her friend. I doubt that's going to be a viable option.
I mean, if she's waiting for her friend, she's going to come back on property.
Again, once she's off, she's in compliance of the trespassing, comes back, that's up to you guys if you want to.
Yeah, of course.
If you A, know, and B, want to press charges.
Yeah, as long as she knows if she comes back.
She's intoxicated enough to where her understanding of the whole lingo about that is not that
I'm in the military.
So am I. Let's play.
So at least you guys have a fence up. She can't just cut through the bushes. So if she stands there and talks to her friends and waits for them to come pick her up on the roadside, now at least she's off property at this particular time. She's in compliance. I mean, I'm sure it was explained to her parkside. I'm sure you guys explained to her during the whole transport. I just don't think it's sinking in.
The officers discussed the suspect, with the staff expressing concerns about her waiting on the sidewalk for a friend and potentially returning to the restricted area. They noted she might be intoxicated and not fully understand the instructions, but confirmed she was complying with the law, as long as she stayed outside the restricted area.
One of it, rock, paper, scissors for it. Oh, you need to open up. Did you open up
I didn't put it on trespass.
Do we have the previous? What?
I just.
They're working on it. Yeah, she walked all the way up into here.
I know, we watched the entire time.
No, you didn't watch me the entire time because it's sitting here explaining something that we paid tickets for. I don't understand. I just want you to put my shots out.
I can pull my car over. I don't know how you got here. I'll go get my car. Yeah, let's see the. Yeah, or just she's from it. Yes. It should.
Are you gonna listen or are you gonna keep talking?
So, one of us will do a transport you're up.
Okay, that's right. I'm telling you.
If the hub tent will take the transport. Oh, so you'll submit the paperwork? Yeah. We'll just give them a wrap. We can knock it out before they can get the done.
Since her friend had not arrived for some time and she refused to use Uber while in the restricted area, the police were forced to arrest the woman.
Do you have like weird cuffs or anything?
Yeah, my cuffs have my name on them.
Yeah, I'm just going to take it. We're just switching out.
Yeah.
So why?
They're regular cuffs. White bitch.
Okay.
So,
Hold on. So, listen.
I'm not fighting anybody.
No, you're not fighting. Listen.
No, I'm not, but I feel like you're like trying to.
It's a female.
Okay. Oh, trash.
Miss Padilla, just relax.
Can you spread your legs for me, please? No, I can't. Yep. I understand. Thank you very much.
Just
chill. No, I'm not gonna chill. Because you're over here trying to already get me for shit a Halloween Horror Night. What the fuck do you want?
Where'd the bag on his car still?
so her bag is still just the phone.
5 miles away.
Phone ID and the trespass.
You gotta take my phone number down.
Phone's in the car. Just write it down for me. Or I'll get you on the radio. You're not going 1070 anytime soon? I'll get you on the radio.
It's all submitted, so.
Although there was no resistance, the woman became increasingly agitated and refused to cooperate when asked to relax and move her legs. Additionally, it is unclear if she was intoxicated, but her behavior and language exhibited signs of intoxication.
Miss Padilla, can you stop moving, please? Yeah, okay, just relax.
Y'all already give me a fucking universal fucking
You take that one off. Just take that one off.
It's just being difficult today.
It was fun.
Why are you pushing my arm? Like you're just pushing me back.
Can you move?
It's comfortable for me.
Won't be that comfortable, but it's good.
I feel sorry for you.
Relax.
And I feel sorry for anybody that has to deal with y'all.
You guys have to get the
Solid? Good. You want the window down? Miss Padilla? Do you want the window down or not?
With my friends. For shit I didn't do.
Obviously, we're not at that point.
But guess what? I will file charges. I want her badge number. I want it all.
Okay. She's requesting your badge number and, and all that stuff.
10483. Bitch, I want it in writing, but
Like I said, it'll be in the report.
The woman was arrested for trespassing. She was placed in the patrol car while continuing to express her displeasure, despite not showing clear signs of resistance. However, during this time, the woman continued to argue with the officers, demanding their badge information and using abusive language toward a female officer. In addition to trespassing, the woman's behavior could violate Section 843.22 of the Florida Criminal Code, or specifically if she failed to cooperate with the police when requested, refused to comply with legitimate police requests, or deliberately obstructed the officers in the performance of their duties. She could be charged under this statute. Furthermore, under Section 847.011 of the Florida Criminal Code, if the woman used obscene or abusive language toward the police or others in public, she could be prosecuted. Under this law, disregarding regulations and resisting law enforcement not only puts oneself at legal risk, but also jeopardizes public safety in order to maintain a safe and just society.
Are you gonna take me to jail?
Yes, at this point you were driving under the influence. With your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Keep your head still for me. No, you could talk to him.
No.
Okay.
Not.
Hi, this is Officer Gallman with the Woodstock Police Department. Has he been drinking?
No.
I don't know. I don't know.
When the law collided with the chaos named Karen, it became far more than a routine traffic stop.
I noticed the driving seems like you get some motor skill issues, okay? Your eyes are a little glassy. I'm worried that you're okay to drive because what I saw was dangerous. Do you understand that so far?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so what I want you to do...
Upon September 29th, 2024, police pulled over a woman who had been swerving, running red lights, and drifting into other lanes. She claimed she was just multitasking, but her glazed eyes and clumsy movements pointed to a much more serious loss of control.
Better if you didn't have such bright lights on me.
I understand that. Do you have your driver's license and insurance on you?
I'm gonna find that, and I was talking to my husband who doesn't help me out with anything.
Okay. About?
Life.
Oh, I gotcha. Oh, you're on the phone?
I was on the phone.
Okay. Are these your kiddos in the back?
Yes.
Oh, they're sleeping. We don't have to roll the window down. I was just curious.
I actually have the thing saved.
Okay. Do you know why I stopped you tonight?
No.
Well, so first thing, you turned left on a red arrow there at 14 and 47. And then you were all over the road. You crossed the yellow line. You were almost in the ditch with the whole truck. Let me ask you a question. Have you had any alcohol that you drink tonight?
No.
Any drugs of any kind?
Oh gosh, no.
Okay. What's got you driving like that?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd that happen?
Trying to navigate my two.
What were you doing with your two toddlers that got you off the road multiple times?
Picking up. Trying to find their tablets.
You're fine. Okay.
I'll be good.
Okay. Did you know that you turned left on a red arrow?
I thought I made it just in time.
It was pretty solid red when we went through, but you recognized that it was red at some point. I gotcha. Okay.
The woman was ultimately subdued and could face charges, including assaulting an officer with a deadly weapon, the vehicle resisting arrest, and fleeing from police.
Let me ask you, are you particularly tired or anything right now?
I'm always tired.
Because like I said, with what I noticed, the driving seems like you get some motor skill issues, okay? Your eyes are a little glassy. I'm worried that you're okay to drive because what I saw was dangerous. I just want to make sure we're good. But you're more tired than particular today?
I am.
Okay. Okay.
If you want to follow me to where I'm going, I'd be happy to.
It's called a finger dexterity test. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and then I'll have you complete it. But what you're going to do is you're going to touch your thumb to the tip of each finger, and you're going to count out loud 1 to 4, and then you're going to go backwards, and you're going to do the test twice. 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. So when I tell you to start, I want you to touch your thumb to the tip of each finger and then count the number out loud each time, forward and backwards twice. Do you have any questions about that test as I've explained it to you so far? Okay, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. So, were you on the phone right now? Were you texting on the phone or talking on the phone? You said you were something with your husband or...
When her steps became unsteady and her counting was off, all her attempts to reassure the officers fell flat. Police concluded that she was not sober enough to drive.
Is with your eyes and your eyes only. I want you to follow the tip of this pen here, okay? While I do that, can I have you stand with your feet together and your hands at your side? And just remain in this position while I give you the rest of the instructions. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what I want you to do... Okay, when I say begin, what I want you to do is take a series of 9... heel-to-toe steps down the line. When you get to the end, I want you to take a series of small steps, keeping that lead foot planted, and you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay? Do you understand the instructions I've given you so far? Okay, you may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. All right, Ms. Dirks. At this point, it does appear that you're impaired by something. You're telling me you haven't had any alcohol tonight?
No.
Okay. Well, from what I've seen, you are too impaired to drive. Okay? That being...
When she was told she wasn't allowed to drive, her calm facade finally crumbled. From pleading to screaming, she broke down in tears and anger, claiming she was being mistreated, abandoned, and that no one was there to help her.
I can't do that. No, I don't have car seats. Your husband?
Are you going to take me to jail?
Yes. At this point, you were driving under the influence. I've determined that you were too impaired to drive. And you definitely can't be driving with the kids. Not to jail, to the police department and back home. But in the meantime, is there somebody who can watch your children?
Yeah.
Okay. Who? Put your phone in the car? Hold on.
If we grab it so you don't...
Just because of traffic.
This will just make my divorce go quicker.
No open alcohol or anything? No, you could talk to him.
Nope.
Okay.
Not,
Hi, this is Officer Gallman with the Woodstock Police Department. I'm here with Miss Dirks. So we are currently at Route 14 between 47 and Dean. Are these your children that are with her? Can you hear me now, sir? It hooked up to the Bluetooth. Okay. So I'm asking, I'm at 14 between Dean and 47 with Miss Dirks. Are these your children that are with her?
In Illinois, driving under the influence DUI with a child in the vehicle can result in misdemeanor or felony charges, with penalties of up to 7 years in prison and tens of thousands of dollars in fines, especially if the child is endangered or injured.
Now, why can't... No, your mother, yeah, right? You don't want that?
Absolutely not.
Why is that?
Because they all f***ing judge me for everything I do, and I take care of everybody.
Okay. I'm just looking for somebody responsible who can grab your kids.
Piece of shit. He said the f***ing dad, and he can't come get him.
I don't know why. I mean, does he have work? Has he been drinking?
No.
I don't know.
What? You're sending my mom over here? Piece of shit. I f***ing hate my life. Okay. Take me to jail.
Okay.
You do whatever you want. These kids,
okay.
I don't...
Well, relax. Relax. Stop. You don't want to see your kids to be like this.
Oh, God. You guys didn't know what I have been through every day. I get abused. I'm abused. Piece of shit. Don't push it. I don't. You don't have to do that. I am not. Don't You don't have to do that.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
You don't have to.
The woman was charged with DUI and 2 counts of child endangerment. Up next, a Karen who made excuses, pointed fingers, and broke down in tears. But when the truth came out, the blow from reality hit harder than any sentence.
You can make a phone call later. Stay right there for me. Do you have anything in your pockets? Any weapons? Any needles? All right. There's my car. Nothing in your bra? All right.
After tracing the swerving car that fled the scene, the police quickly blocked its path. When asked about the accident, Amanda completely denied it. And that was just the beginning.
Still rolling westbound. We're stopped at Iowa at a red light. Turn the car off for me. Give me the keys. What are you doing? You're all over the road.
I am heading home.
You're what?
Heading home.
Okay, I'm Officer Targets with League City. Somebody called in about, they gave you your plate, said you hit their car and you didn't stop. Were you in an accident?
No.
Amanda denied the collision, but when she couldn't identify the city or the date, the police began to suspect that she wasn't as sober as she claimed.
Yeah, go ahead and take your seatbelt off and step out with me. You can just leave everything in the car for now. Amanda?
Yes.
Okay. Amanda, where are you coming from today?
I'm coming from TJ Maxx.
TJ Maxx? Okay. Which one?
96 off of.
Where are you headed right now?
To my house.
To your house? Do you know what city you're in right now?
Lake City.
Lake City.
I'm going through a breakout.
Okay. Do you know what day it is?
Yes.
What day is it?
It's February. It's May.
May.
2020.
Despite her denials, witnesses confirmed that Amanda caused the accident and fled the scene. She blamed her boyfriend, but ignoring the sirens for nearly a mile left the police with no doubts. Could she escape the truth?
You go down 646 and you turn.
That's since you said
Egret. Where's Egret Bay?
So y'all were sitting. You were on Egret Bay, getting ready to go through 96.
Right.
Are you currently taking any kind of medications?
No.
Do you have any kind of medical issues?
No.
Diabetes, seizures?
I work at the crossings.
The crossings? Okay. Have you eaten anything recently?
No.
When was the last time you ate something?
This morning.
This morning?
So when the light turned green, the cars in front of me went, I went, and she was still sitting there. She sat there a long time.
So have you had any alcohol to drink today?
No.
You don't have anything to drink. So that person reported that you hit him, right?
So I crossed over and I'm driving. I passed the grocery stores or whatever that is, shopping area.
Yeah.
And then she finally went, but when she did, she started hauling butt, man.
Saw you turn, and then you were literally driving in the middle of both lanes.
I'm going through a lot right now.
What does that have to do with, are you saying that's what caused you to drink today?
I didn't
drink. Did you take narcotics?
No.
Yeah.
She just hit me and she just sitting in the car. And I was looking at her in my rearview mirror and I'm like, what are you just bumped my car up, man? You're just sitting there. And then she put her head down. I thought she's texting. You know? But then when she started driving.
After ignoring the sirens and driving recklessly, Amanda underwent a series of field sobriety tests, and it didn't take long for the police to spot clear signs of impaired control.
Put your arm stand by your side. Can you see the top of my pen?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What I want you to do is follow the top of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. You understand? Try and keep your head straight, okay? So keep your head straight and follow the pen with it. You're looking at your toes, you're counting aloud, and you're remaining on that straight imaginary line. So you can begin when you're ready.
After failing the sobriety tests, Amanda was officially arrested for driving under the influence, despite crying, claiming she had just broken up and begging for mercy. The police couldn't turn a blind eye, especially when she admitted this was her third offense.
Face that house for me. Put your hands behind your back. Put your palms together like you're praying. There you go. All right, ma'am. Right now you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay?
I got your inventory and I'll do the crash report.
Appreciate you. All right, we're gonna go to this. No, yep, this car. Stay right there for me. Do you have anything in your pockets? Any weapons? Any needles? Hey, man. 1171. She's in custody. Give me just a minute, we'll get going, okay?
I just left my boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
You just broke up?
Yes, and he was selling drugs, and he was selling them for my house.
Okay.
I have a job I can't lose.
I mean, me too. I can't just let you go like that.
I know.
I like my job.
Am I bonded out?
You can bond out. Have you ever been arrested for a driving while intoxicated charge?
Huh?
Have you ever been arrested for driving while intoxicated?
Is that a DWI?
Yeah.
Yes, this is my third one.
Your third one? Okay.
My parents will be,
She was arrested for DWI, and this was her third offense. She could face a sentence of 210 years in prison, fines up to $10,000, 0 cents, long-term driver's license suspension, and the requirement to install an ignition interlock device. No one is born a bad person, but when emotions overpower reason and alcohol replaces sobriety, accidents are inevitable. Remember, a moment of losing control behind the wheel can cost you your future, not only your own, but also that of your loved ones.
Miss. Miss. Miss, leave the car off. Leave the car off. Just step outside the car.
Turn the car off.
a birthday party.
Was there alcohol involved in that birthday party? All right, listen, because of the way that we observed you in the...
I will walk home. I will literally walk home.
In an incident that unfolded in front of Target police, body cam footage shows a woman found asleep behind the wheel of her parked car with an open bottle of tequila by her side. Officers approached the vehicle after noticing it had been stationary for an extended period.
We got 2 on board. Try not to wake one of them up.
Hillside Police, sir. Yo, wake up. Police. You okay? You wake her up? Yes. What's her name?
Just turn the car off.
Police officers found the woman asleep behind the wheel of her parked vehicle. After several attempts, they managed to wake her and immediately began asking questions to understand the circumstances. Groggy and disoriented, she struggled to respond coherently as the officers inquired about how she ended up asleep in her car.
for Bravo, Yankee, registered 11, 2025,
I receive. Is there a unit that could assist us here? Is there another unit available to back us up on the stop? Alright, miss. Can you ever step out the car for a second? Miss. 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 Leave the car off. Leave the car off. Just step outside the car.
Turn the car off. Thank you.
Should we favor walk onto the sidewalk, please?
The officers instruct the woman to turn off her vehicle and step out. She appears confused and reluctant to comply at first, but eventually exits the vehicle.
Walk over to the sidewalk for me. Yeah, just hang out with me for a second. Can you just walk over to the passenger side, miss? What's your name?
Vanessa Reyes.
Vanessa Reyes.
Right now we're trying to figure out what's going on because it seems like you guys may be driving with the green.
Where are you coming from? Are you coming from home? Or are you going home?
No, I'm going home.
Where are you coming from?
A birthday party.
Was there alcohol involved at that birthday party? All right, listen. Because of the way that we observed you and the way that you're reacting, we're gonna have to do a field sobriety. All right?
All right, ma'am. Ma'am, do me a favor. Hang up the phone for now, okay? You gotta hang up the phone. Ma'am, do me a favor. Hang up the phone, okay? Hang up the phone. Hang up the phone. We're gonna do a field sobriety test, okay? Sleeping behind the wheel of the car was in park at least, but you were sleeping. Looks like you're intoxicated. You're talking slurred.
Not sleeping.
You were definitely sleeping because we pulled up right next to you. It's on camera, okay?
The woman disclosed that she was on her way back from a birthday party and admitted to having consumed alcohol earlier in the evening. As officers spoke with her, they spotted an open bottle of tequila in plain view within the car, which heightened their suspicions of impairment. Concerned about her ability to drive, the officers initiated a series of field sobriety tests to assess her level of intoxication.
Hands at your side. Hands off the car. Hands at your side. You're going to hold your foot up. Okay, you're going to be standing there, hands at your side, okay? 1 foot up off the ground. You're going to be looking at your toe, and you're going to be counting out loud. 1, 1,000. 2, 1,000. Okay, can I finish explaining first before you start?
You said
okay, so put your leg down for now. Put your leg down for now.
Sure.
So 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 4, 1,000. Keep counting until I tell you to stop, okay? Do you understand?
1,000. 2, 1,000.
You can't be touching the car, ma'am. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you. You're going to start 9. You're going to pivot around, okay? Don't lift your right foot off the ground, and then you're going to go back, same thing. The entire time with your hands at your side, okay? Go ahead and start.
8,
okay.
9. Is that what you were saying?
Start, okay. All right.
The officers conduct a field sobriety test, during which the woman struggles to follow instructions due to slurred speech and impaired motor skills.
Placing under arrest for suspicion DUI, okay? Driving under influence. Do you have any shoes in the car? Let me see this real quick. Let me see your hand real quick.
Can you call my father or...
We'll bring your phone. We'll bring your phone with you. We got you.
I'm going to pat you down, so if you could just stand over here.
That's just her phone right there, yo. You can just grab it. That's the top of the car. Where's your wallet and all that kind of stuff? You got it right there, Javi?
I'll give 1 second.
Good?
Yeah, she don't have pockets.
Okay. All right, ma'am, come right here to the back. We'll let you call once you get to headquarters, okay?
My thing is, once I call Elizabeth and Hillside.
Yeah, you're not going to Elizabeth. You're on Hillside. All right? Just take a seat. Watch your step.
And my brother, because my brother's in North.
Okay, that's fine.
After failing the sobriety test, the woman is placed under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence, DUI. She expresses concerns about her career and past DUI record.
Like, I will literally walk home.
Well, we have to tow the car.
Yeah, because I already have a DUI. Yes, I will walk home. I will literally walk home. I will walk home from here. I will literally just walk from here. Please, 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 please. I'm trying to be a real estate agent.
The woman pleads with officers to let her walk home and expresses her fear of the legal consequences. Officers explain they must tell her car as part of the procedure.
602.
Where is he going?
Where's he going?
1723. 1723.
Because he wasn't driving. Where's he going?
He's going home. He doesn't want to come with us, so.
19, who's this car registered to?
Yeah, affirmative. It's restricted to the female. 120.
So now, what do I do about the? So since we're in a vehicle, I said. So what do I do about the 37?
The woman continues to ask about her brother's status and questions the legality of other tickets she received under her name. The officers escort her to the station while explaining the next steps. The woman's actions violated multiple state laws concerning driving under the influence. According to state law, driving with a blood alcohol concentration BAC of 0.08% or higher is illegal under Chapter 4511 of the Ohio Revised Code. The penalties for a first-time DUI offense can include fines, a driver's license suspension, and mandatory alcohol treatment programs. However, given the woman's admission of a prior DUI, she may face enhanced penalties, including a longer license suspension, higher fines, and possible jail time. Moreover, her possession of an open container of alcohol in the vehicle is a violation of Ohio's open container law under Chapter 4301.62, which prohibits the possession of open alcoholic beverages in a motor vehicle. Violating this law can lead to additional fines and contribute to the severity of the DUI charge. In this case, the critical role of adhering to traffic laws and personal responsibility and safeguarding public safety is clearly demonstrated. It underscores the need for heightened awareness and education around substance abuse as part of our collective effort to create a safer community.
Do you have anything to drink tonight? Any alcohol?
I mean, like hours ago.
Hours ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to? Are you comfortable in those shoes? If I had to do another test?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I just use it. We're going to use this line on the floor.
And it misaligned my eyes.
Okay. So do you
I have to wear
do you have a certain something with your eyes?
I got 4.
Do me a favor. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Hi. What?
No. We're not going to do it.
17 July 2023, police arrested a woman outside a Target store for suspected drunk driving. The footage reveals a detailed sequence of events leading to her arrest, showcasing both the woman's reactions and the steps taken by the officers during the incident.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania?
Bethlehem. Yeah.
What are you doing out there? Anything good?
Concert.
Concert?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I was just on my way home.
Okay. All right. Just so you don't have a body cam, okay?
Yeah. That's
okay.
fine.
Where'd you come from by chance? Did you drive? Which way did you come in though? All right. So someone called, and they said that you hit a curb and you were driving in here. That's why we're here.
The police questioned the woman about her driving, including hitting a curb and driving erratically. The woman mentioned she came from a concert and denies awareness of hitting a curb.
All over the place, so that's why I wanted to make sure everything was all right, and that's why I just curious.
No,
Okay.
It's possible because of the flat tire, but.
Do you have anything to drink tonight? Any alcohol?
I mean, like hours ago.
Hours ago?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I've never changed a flat tire before.
Yeah, I hear you.
Does she need a tow? Or?
You want a tow truck?
I just change this out. It should be fine.
Okay. All right. Why don't you leave that for a second? I just want to step over here. I just want to make sure you're okay to drive, that's all. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. You said you drank a while ago, you said?
Yeah, probably
okay.
about 4 hours ago.
4 hours ago?
Yeah.
Okay. And the concert was in Bethlehem?
Bethlehem,
okay.
Yeah.
And then what time was your last drink? Like, I'm just going to touch your eyes, make sure you're okay.
Yeah,
and just because we're here now, okay?
Okay.
Just do me a favor, just stand with your feet together and your arms to your side like this, okay?
The officer asks about her alcohol consumption, and she admits to drinking about 4 hours ago. She has a flat tire and mentions changing it herself.
I have contacts. And
okay.
I also have I had a head injury.
Okay. Okay.
But
So if I put something in front of your face, you'd be able
I have special glasses to wear.
Okay. So if I put something right in front of your face, you'd be able to see it, though?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, do you see the tip of my pen?
Yep.
Okay. I want you to follow my pen. Don't move your head at all. Just follow with your eyes. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. I'm just gonna go up, okay?
Hmm?
Do you want to? Are you comfortable in those shoes? If I had to do another test?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I just use it. We're gonna use this line on the floor. You can stand right here and face me. All right. I don't want you to do anything until I tell you to begin. Okay. I'm just gonna go up. Okay.
Hmm?
The officer conducts sobriety tests, including an eye test and walking heel to toe. The woman explains her eyesight issues due to a prior head injury.
When I tell you to begin, I don't want you to start till I tell you to begin. Same thing. When I tell you to, either lift your right or your left leg, whatever you prefer, whatever you're comfortable with. Approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's going to look like this. Until I tell you to stop. Okay. I want you to keep that foot parallel to the ground and keep both legs straight the entire time. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Sorry.
No, you're good. I'll guess you again. You had a little bit more than just a few drinks. I could tell based off your eyes and your tests.
With my contacts.
Okay.
I have special glasses I'm
Okay.
supposed to wear because my vision. I had a head injury. That's what this.
What kind of head injury?
I got misaligned my eyes.
Okay. So do you have a certain something with your eyes?
It's just a misalignment with my eyes, but it causes the eyes.
Do you have something? Do you ever call nystagmus? Is that something that's you were ever told that you have? So, like I said, someone was behind you and they saw you driving all over the road and hit a curb. So that's why we're here.
The woman struggles with the sobriety test, stating her head injury and eye misalignment are affecting her performance. The officer indicates she appears more intoxicated than she admitted.
Do me a favor, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
You're under arrest for DWI, okay?
What? No.
No, we're not going to do that. I'm going to explain everything to you, okay? Relax, okay?
I'm calm. No,
Okay.
I need to know why.
So I'm going to explain it to you, okay? Let me. Okay. Let me tighten these so they don't get tighter on your wrists, okay? No, I know, but I'm gonna explain everything to you, okay? And you were all over the road,
But
and
I
you
wasn't.
hear me out. Let me explain myself, okay? And that's why you have the flat tire, okay? Your eyes are horrible. Your glasses have nothing to do
Yes,
with it.
they
okay?
do, though.
I'm telling you right now.
No,
they have
no.
nothing to do with it.
Can I please tell you
Okay.
something?
Sure. Go ahead.
Can I please put my glasses on?
Okay.
I promise
Your
you.
glasses have nothing to do with nystagmus. Okay, nystagmus is the involuntary movement of the eyes when you're intoxicated.
no, I
okay?
know.
And I smell the alcohol.
That's fine.
All right, I'm just letting you know why we're here. I'm not making this stuff
I'm gonna
up.
lose
Okay.
my child. No, I'm gonna lose
In
my
New
kid.
Jersey, listen.
It's good. It's
listen.
fine. It's fine.
Listen.
I need
Let
to
me
tell
talk.
my grandpa.
Let me talk. In New Jersey.
After more questioning, the woman becomes emotional, mentioning her fear of losing her job, child, and other personal losses. The officer attempts to calm her and explains that she's being arrested for DUI.
DWI is not a criminal offense. Listen, no, you're not. It's not a criminal offense. And you're going to get released tonight. You're going to get released in an hour. Yes, you are. I'm telling you the truth.
And then
It's not a criminal offense.
It doesn't matter.
I don't tell anybody. Nothing is to get told. You get there's nothing that says that we're going to go and tell what's going on here. It's not like you get arrested for shoplifting or anything like that. It's a ticket. It's a traffic ticket. Okay? That's how it is in New Jersey. So does Officer Doesberg, okay? I'm walking to the car. I can't let you walk without me holding you.
Cuff me, please.
No, I can't uncuff you.
Do I have to call someone?
The officers handcuff her and explain the legal process, reassuring her that it is a non-criminal traffic offense, DUI in New Jersey, and she will be released after completing paperwork and a breath test.
Do you have anything on you? Because you're female. I'm not going to search you. Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt me? Do you have anything that's going to poke me, stick me, nothing like that?
I don't.
Okay. Do you have a phone on you in your back pocket? Okay. I'm going to hold it for you so you don't lose it. All right, and I want you to sit on it. It's coming with us. It's coming with us. You got to take a deep breath, or else I'm going to call an ambulance because you're hyperventilating. Okay? Take a deep breath.
I have anxiety. Please don't do this.
Okay, take a deep breath. You're going to call someone as soon as we get back, okay? Take a seat, okay? Take a deep breath and take a
What are you
seat.
guys going to do?
We're going back to headquarters.
I just need to know.
You're coming back to headquarters. I'm going to give you the option to blow on the alcohol test machine.
I'll just
You're
do
gonna
it.
get no. I don't want you to say anything. I just want you to listen, okay? I just want you to listen. You're going to go back. He's going to come pick you up. That's it. I promise you that's it. I'm not lying to you, okay? Everything's recorded. Everything's okay. Take a deep breath. Relax. I'm telling you. Everything's on body cam. Take a seat, okay? I'm going to leave the window open.
I don't want to be in here.
I understand. Slide over, okay?
The woman remains anxious about the arrest consequences and talks about her child and job. The officers explain the impound process for her car and tell her she can pick it up after her release. Danielle violated New Jersey's Title 39-450 law, which pertains to operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol. According to the statute, a driver can be charged with a DUI if their blood alcohol concentration, BAC, exceeds 0.08%, or if they display signs of impairment as determined by a police officer during sobriety tests. The penalties for a first-time DWI offense in New Jersey include fines between $250, 0 cents, and $400, 0 cents, mandatory participation in an intoxicated driver resource center program, and a license suspension ranging from 3 to 12 months. Repeat offenses can result in harsher consequences, including imprisonment and Daniel's case. The officers followed standard legal protocol by administering field sobriety tests, offering her breathalyzer tests, and subsequently arresting her for driving under the influence. Her refusal to submit to a breath test, had it occurred, would have resulted in an additional charge under 39:450.2, which deals with refusal to take a breathalyzer. This could have led to further fines and an extended license suspension. In this case, the critical role of adhering to traffic laws and personal responsibility and safeguarding public safety is clearly demonstrated. It underscores the need for heightened awareness and education around substance abuse as part of our collective effort to create a safer community. We invite you to share your thoughts on this situation in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful and informative updates. Thank you for your continued support.